Hello everyone. Earlier we talked about the auxiliary verb brothers, that is are, is and am. But in this video we are going to talk about another auxiliary verbs, that is was and were. The words was and were are used in the past tense. Was is used when we speak about one person or a thing. Were is used when we speak about more than one person or a thing. We must know the use of was with pronouns also. We always use I, he, she, and it with was. Like we can frame the sentence I was at the store this morning. He was at the store this morning. She was at the store this morning. It was at the store this morning. In the same way, we also use pronouns with were, and that pronouns are we, you, they. Now we frame the sentence. We were at the store this morning. You were at the store this morning. They were at the store this morning. This is how we use different pronouns with was and were. I repeat, we use I, he, she, it with was, and we use we, you, and they with were. Let's see some example. The school bus was late. Here we're talking about one school bus, so we have put was. Second, the kids were playing outside. Here we have put were because we are talking about more than one kid, so we have put were. There was a bike in the street. Here we are talking about one bike, so we have put was. There were 5 players in the team. There are more than one person or two persons, so that is why we have used were here. So this is all about was and were. Watching.